this way later in the day. Don't mind my throw up shirt. As you guys know, my baby throws up on me all day. I have been cleaning and cooking. I'm about to vacuum. I need to take these down off the wall. But I'm about to make some shrimp Alfredo. I'll show you guys the outcome. But it's gonna be real simple. I always put like butter in the pan with garlic and season the shrimp. I didn't season them yet. Season the shrimp, extra large shrimp. And I'm gonna put just one sauce. I just want it lightly covered. I really want it like merged, like submerged in Alfredo sauce. So I'm only gonna use 1 can. Normally I use like 2.5, but I'm gonna use 1 this time. And then I also have some broccoli that I'm gonna steam in the bag. So that's what I'm gonna eat. Probably for, tonight. And I might have some for lunch, something like that. Other than that, today just has been a day of trying to sterilize bottles, clean, put up laundry, fold laundry, hang laundry. So that's what I was doing. The boys are in the room chilling. Actually, I had to send my maid to clean up their room. But
no, somebody in here. Anyway, Kevin bigger.
You figured it out, buddy. Good job. Roll it. Roll it.
Oh my God. Yes, I got it. Now there's some more.
Uh-oh. You okay?
Yes, I did.
The boys, you see, ain't paying no attention. They don't playing some game on the computers. I'm gonna need my computer soon because I have to grade papers.
Hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. And just download this game, please. You can download it.
And then I'm washing another load of clothes, and then that'll be it. I need to grade papers. I just need to get my life together today so I can have a smooth week. Week has already started smooth because it wasn't no school today, so that's a positive thing. But yeah, I need to get to cleaning this house and everything like that. Somebody put on some music, get everything cleaned up, and then watch YouTube for the rest of the night until the boys go to bed. But I already got them bathed, so yeah. Mommy life. Here we go. Oh, and I still gotta do my hair. So y'all, I got a lot to do. I'm gonna see in a few. I might do my hair right now, to be honest. But yeah, that's what's up. Okay, so to season my shrimp, fill up the pants. I'm gonna put some garlic. Don't mind a broken nail. Don't talk about me. Don't judge your mama. Put that back. And then put some onion powder. And then go around with that. I'm going to put some roasted garlic herb on it. I really wish I had like a lime and lemon, but I don't. And the last thing I'm going to put on it is, of course, Old Bay seafood seasoning. Not too much because this can be like overpowering. So not too much when you're making Alfredo, at least. Now seafood, boy, you know you're looking for that taste, but you don't want to put too much of this on your stuff. And then I'm going to get some minced garlic. So minced garlic, that's how it looks in the store. And put some of that in here. And I forgot to pick up my pepper, like my cayenne pepper. Now, I love me some garlic, y'all, so. There. Make sure you stir that back in the fridge. And that's all I'm gonna do for my shrimp season. How it look. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it. Obviously started the noodles first because I knew that that'll take longer to cook. We all know shrimp cooks very quick, and this is a shrimp right here. And then I'll show you guys what I do. I don't know if you guys ever heard of this trick. They said take the noodle, throw it against the wall. If it's thick, it's done. That noodle done, y'all. Of course, after throw that piece of noodle away. Don't be nasty and put that damn noodle back in y'all food. You just threw it against the wall, okay? But anyway, I don't know if you guys ever heard of that trick. I most definitely heard of that trick before. I used to do it a lot. But it's just to be silly and fun. You can always pick up the dang on noodle and taste the noodle to see if it's done or not. So yeah, I'm gonna let my shrimp sit here and marinate just a little bit. But yeah, so noodles are done. I'm gonna take that off the stove and I'm gonna get ready to cook the shrimp and I'll show you guys. Now, I'm that mom, I believe in cleaning as you go, so especially if you're a single mom. And what I mean by single mom, because a lot of people get the term single mom mixed up. What I mean by single mom is if you're a single mom, like in the home single mom, because see, the father of my kids take care of their kids very well. So, I just mean single mom as in living by yourself and you have the kids like in your custody at the time. So, being a single mom, listen, the best thing for you to do when you are cooking is clean as you go.
Don't let them dishes pile up and you want to sit down, you want to enjoy your food, you gotta get back up in the kitchen. If you're doing it while you're cooking, then you won't have a problem, right? Just saying, you know, note it. If you don't do it, note it. Trust me, it helps. Especially on a good old Sunday when you gotta cook after work week. Just saying.
And added butter and garlic to my saute pan. This is where I'm going to put my shrimp in and cover it. Now the key to cooking your shrimp to where it stays juicy and you don't overcook it is you want to watch. Ooh, excuse my washing machine on spin. You want to watch and make sure that when the shrimp make a C, that means it's like ready to be done. You gotta remember, you also gonna continue cooking it because you're gonna add the pasta and all that to this after. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp. I'm gonna space out my shrimp. I'm just gonna put the pan on it and let it slow cook before I add the pasta and all that to it. Alright, so after the shrimp got about 80% done, I went ahead and added the sauce to it, which is this. Added the sauce to it and some shredded cheese. So, but I'm mixing this off the stove, so it's not on the fire anymore because I don't want to overcook the shrimp yet. So I'm just mixing up the sauce and letting that other cheese melt. I'll turn the stove to low, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the pasta to it, and then that's gonna be that. This is how it looks, and it looks absolutely delicious. We'll see what the boys say when I plate it up and they have their dinner. But this is all I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna steam some broccoli, and on my plate I'll have broccoli within my shrimp Alfredo. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm not going nowhere. I meant to say I hope you guys enjoy my little cook session in this vlog. But yeah, I'm about to It's 7:32, so I want to hurry up and get everything situated, get their food plated out so it can cool down. I still got to take the baby a bath, so I'm gonna have a long night. Probably gonna go to bed by 11 o'clock or 12, but that's the time I'm used to going to bed. But yeah, I might not see you again until the boys are eating. But hey, either way, if you got this far in the video, don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to subscribe, because it won't hurt you. Just hit that subscribe button anyway, because I don't bite. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. What happened? You ready for bath time? No, your brother's over there eating. Wanna go ask him how it is? Come on. Let's go see. Let's go ask him. Where I got these computers on this table? Close them and put them down on the floor, please. How's the food?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Alright, so eat your food first and then y'all go finish watching the computer. Alright. You can't have none. No. Of my life. Well, I'm watching Love and Hip Hop Miami crib. I live in Tallahassee, not but I'm from Miami. And I'm making plans on reviewing standards that the babies did not know at school, because I'm a second grade teacher. And he's over there looking at me crazy. Look out. He's just doing all that screaming, y'all. Now he just want to stare at me. Stop it. Nobody didn't do nothing to you. You want mama to work you to sleep? Huh? Mama. I do.
Dating is so hard.
I do.
Now we don't even know how to say hello. Here's some worst
I
opening
do.
lines that listeners have experienced. Do you like Mexican food? Because
Yeah, him would be great. Let me get him and rock to the bed. Hey guys, as I was sitting here watching someone else vlogs, and I just heard them close out their vlogs, I just realized I did not close out mine. I went and took a shower. I did a sleek bun going to the back. I'll show you guys tomorrow morning, because I probably will edit this video tomorrow. Sorry, it's loud because I'm watching YouTube. I do not know where my charger is. Hold on. Alright. Yeah, so right now I am reading papers, social studies. But I'm getting tired, so I'm ready to go to sleep for school tomorrow. So I'm just gonna grade these last couple of sheets and I'm gonna just call it a day. But yeah, I just want to say thank you for watching my video. If you stayed and watched the whole thing, even if you skipped through, as long as you show support and you watched, I'm fine. Don't forget to like, comment down below if you have anything to say, any suggestions, just want to holler at your girl. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye.